flyExclusive is rapidly becoming one of the market's most talked about names as shares surge on news that the company has secured an authorized dealership agreement with Starlink, SpaceX's satellite internet division. The deal positions flyExclusive not just as a private jet operator, but as a certified installer of Starlink's high speed, low latency in flight connectivity for business aviation, an offering that's increasingly seen as a must have for high net worth and corporate clients. From a fundamentals angle, the agreement opens the door to new, higher margin MRO and aftermarket revenue streams. By installing Starlink hardware across its own fleet and for third party operators, Fly Exclusive could generate recurring service and installation income while enhancing the attractiveness of its aircraft. Investors are also reading this as a strategic alignment with SpaceX, lending credibility to Fly Exclusive's long term growth narrative and differentiation in the competitive private aviation market. On the trading side, the community focus is firmly on squeeze dynamics. Discussions across social platforms highlight FLYX's reportedly low public float, combined with explosive volume and sharp upward price action, as a textbook setup for a potential short squeeze. Traders are closely monitoring short interest, borrow rates, and intraday momentum, with many comparing the current setup to previous low float names that saw rapid multi day runs once buying pressure overwhelmed shorts. Sentiment is being further fueled by the SpaceX halo effect, with bullish traders framing the Starlink partnership as a powerful catalyst that could attract both speculative momentum players and longer term investors. While volatility is expected to remain elevated, optimism around the Starlink installation opportunity, expanding MRO revenue, and technical squeeze potential is driving expectations of continued upside and dramatic price swings as FLYX remains firmly in the spotlight.
So the stock is up 116.56%. This is Thursday, the 8th of January 2026. Intraday high 8.88 dollars. It has moved a lot of shares. It is one of the most active stocks for this session. You can see what we have here, 103 million. Yeah, some might say that some squeeze may have happened. 103 million. Usual volume is usually 202.083 million. High volatility stock. Okay, so this is what we're looking at right now. The extrapolation seems to be suggesting that it might maintain the strength up till Monday the 12th. Then after that, a consolidation is expected to play out all the way towards the 19th of February. Okay, yeah. As things stand right now, projections are saying 4.99. It's a downward projection. Let's see what we have for its momentum. I'm sure momentum it will be, let's see, yeah, expected to begin to weaken from the end of today's trading session. Let's see what traders are looking at on the 4-hour chart. Yes, it has had a rejection, 8.88. Yes, it was the intraday high. So the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that this contraction may continue to play out up to Tuesday the 13th, and then after that it might maybe attempt to resume the uptrend. But and here as well, the momentum is expected to continue to weaken as well on this 4-hour chart. We could also have a look at its market grid. It will give us a range of possible prices, and we should expect to see 8.88 or even higher in the range. Yeah, we have 9.15, even higher than that. So the trajectory is to the downside. It's currently at 6.93, so it is in between the resistance and the supports. The chance that it will continue to decay is always there. The lower it contracts into the support zones, then the greater chance of it plunging further down towards the lows of around 5.25. Let's see whether we even have lower prices on its 1 hour chart, I don't think we're going to see lower prices. No, we have not even higher prices. So it's already contracting the expansion here on this 1 hour chart. So lower prices are surely, you should expect that. If it's not, I know indeed it has that low floats and all that stuff, but anytime soon a pullback is expected. So see what you make of FLYX, and thank you very much for watching this video.